Hey guys, I've got a bit of a sweet tooth tonight, so I've asked Jordan to meet me here at Sweet Release. Just being in the Sweet Release store is enough to put you in a chocolate coma. The store smells incredible because there is always some new delicious baked good in the oven. They have all your favorites but with a unique twist. For example, their donut muffins. But the thing you've got to try is the Mount Cookie. It is a cookie base filled with 4 scoops of ice cream and topped with whipped cream, salted caramel sauce, chocolate ganache and a red fondant lava. And it is delicious. I don't know where Jordan is, but I have had a great time here and I'm going to take these to go. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chris Bartley and I'm the owner of Sweet Release Cakes and Treats. You guys should come check us out and see what we can do with vegan food.